Have you ever wondered how some people live well beyond a century and not just survive but thrive? Today we unravel the secret of Bernando LaPallo, who lived a remarkable 114 years. Meet Bernando, a man whose longevity sparks awe and curiosity. Born in 1901, he lived to see 3 different centuries, witnessing world-changing events and outliving many of his contemporaries. But what's even more fascinating is how vibrant and full of life he remained, even in his remarkable old age. Bernando's secret? A lifestyle marked by simple, healthy habits and a positive mindset. From his diet to his daily routines, every aspect of his life was a testament to his commitment to health and wellness. He wasn't just surviving, he was thriving, embodying vitality and vigor that would put many younger folks to shame. So what can we learn from Bernando? What were his secrets to a long, healthy life? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into Bernando's daily routine and his secret to a long, healthy life. Bernando's lifestyle was a testament to the saying, "You are what you eat." Imagine, if you will, a day in the life of Bernando LaPallo. It begins with the break of dawn, a time when the world is still quiet and the day is ripe with promise. His mornings are not rushed, but rather, they are a time for calm and reflection. His breakfast is wholesome and simple, a bowl of fresh, ripe fruits, bursting with natural flavors and packed with essential nutrients. Following his morning meal, Bernando would indulge in a brisk walk. The concept of exercise was not a chore for him, but a way of embracing the day and energizing his body. His physical activity was not limited to walking. He believed in staying active throughout the day, engaging in various forms of exercise that kept his body agile and his mind sharp. Now let's delve into the heart of Bernando's daily routine, his diet. Bernando was a firm believer in the power of natural raw foods. His meals were a symphony of fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains, a vibrant palette of nature's finest produce. He steered clear of red meat, fried foods, and anything that was overly processed or artificial. His belief was that food in its purest form was the best source of nourishment for the body. His meals were well-balanced with a focus on variety and nutritional value. A typical lunch might include a hearty vegetable soup, followed by a salad bursting with colorful, fresh produce. Dinner was equally wholesome, often consisting of grilled fish accompanied by a serving of whole grains and leafy greens. His diet was not about restriction. It was about enjoying a wide array of foods that were good for his body. In essence, Bernando's daily routine was a celebration of life and health. His lifestyle choices reflected his respect for his body and his understanding of the role that diet plays in overall well-being. Up next, we reveal the 5 foods Bernando swore by for his health and longevity. Bernando attributed his long and healthy life to 5 essential foods. Can you guess what they are? Let's unravel this mystery, one ingredient at a time. First on the list is garlic. Renowned for its potent medicinal properties, garlic was a staple in Bernando's diet. He believed that its antioxidant content was key to keeping his immune system robust and diseases at bay. Not only was it his secret weapon against common colds, but it also helped him maintain a healthy heart. Moving on to the second food, honey. This natural sweetener was Bernando's preferred choice over refined sugar. Honey, especially the raw kind, is packed with antioxidants and is known for its antimicrobial properties. Whether it was to sweeten his tea or drizzle over a bowl of fresh fruit, honey was an indispensable part of his diet. Next up is cinnamon, a spice that not only adds a burst of flavor but also brings a plethora of health benefits. Bernando used cinnamon for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. He also recognized its potential in regulating blood sugar levels, making it a regular feature in his meals. Now, let's talk about chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. But before you reach for a chocolate bar, let's clarify that Bernando favored dark chocolate. High in nutrients and antioxidants, dark chocolate was his guilt-free indulgence. He believed that it played a role in maintaining his heart health and keeping his mood elevated. Last but certainly not least, olive oil. This heart-healthy fat was a mainstay in Bernando's diet. Used for cooking or as a salad dressing, he valued olive oil for its heart-protective properties and its ability to keep his skin glowing. But food wasn't the only secret to Bernando's longevity. Up next, we delve into his mental and physical habits. These 5 foods, consumed consistently and in moderation, were part of the magic formula that contributed to Bernando's remarkable lifespan. But there's more to this longevity recipe, and we'll uncover that in the next chapter of Bernando's life. Bernando believed that a healthy body houses a healthy mind. His approach to mental and physical wellness was exceptional. He embraced a lifestyle that was a blend of regular physical activities and mental exercises, which he believed were instrumental in his long and healthy life. Bernando was a strong advocate for walking. He made it a point to walk every day, come rain or shine. Walking for Bernando was not just a form of exercise, but a way to connect with nature, to breathe in fresh air, and to enjoy the world around him. It was his time to reflect, to think, and to appreciate the simple joys of life. But physical activity was only part of Bernardo's wellness regimen. He also recognized the importance of mental fitness. Bernando was an avid reader, often immersing himself in books of all genres. He believed that reading not only kept his mind sharp, but also provided an opportunity to learn, to explore new ideas, and to engage with the world in a different way. In addition to reading, Bernando enjoyed solving crossword puzzles. This simple pastime was another way for him to exercise his mind, to challenge his thinking, and to keep his cognitive skills in top shape. Perhaps one of the most overlooked aspects of wellness is rest, and Bernardo understood the importance of this. He made sure to get enough sleep every night, knowing that it was during these quiet hours that his body and mind rejuvenated, preparing him for the new day ahead. What can we learn from Bernardo's remarkable life journey? Let's summarize and see how we can apply his wisdom to our lives. He taught us that wellness is not just about eating the right foods or doing the right exercises. It's also about nurturing our minds, taking time to rest, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. His lifestyle is a testament to the power of a holistic approach to wellness, one that embraces both the mind and the body. Bernando LaPallo's life is a masterclass in longevity and wellness. So what are the takeaways from his life that we can incorporate into ours? Let's start with food. Bernando was a firm believer in the power of a healthy diet. He credited his longevity to a list of 5 key foods: garlic, honey, cinnamon, chocolate, and olive oil. These ingredients were his secret recipe for long life, and they're all readily available for us to incorporate into our meals. Remember, it's not just about what we eat, but how much and when. Moderation and timing are as crucial as the food itself. Next, we need to talk about the mind-body connection. Bernando understood that physical health is incomplete without mental wellness. He never underestimated the power of a good book or a stimulating conversation. His mind was as active and agile as his body, and that balance played an integral part in his longevity. It's a clear cue for us to invest time in activities that challenge and nurture our minds. Then, there's the aspect of physical activity. Bernando was a testament to the saying, "If you don't use it, you lose it." He was active well into his hundreds, with walking and gardening being his preferred forms of exercise. He showed us that you don't need a gym membership to stay fit. Simple, everyday activities can keep us in shape if we make them a part of our routine. Finally, let's not forget the importance of rest. In our hustle culture, we often neglect the value of a good night's sleep. Bernando was a strong advocate for rest and relaxation. He understood that our bodies need time to rejuvenate and heal. This serves as a reminder to prioritize sleep and relaxation, as they are as important as diet and exercise in the pursuit of longevity. Now it's over to you. Are you ready to make a change? Maybe you'll start by adding more garlic to your meals, or perhaps you'll pick up a book instead of the TV remote tonight. Maybe you'll take a walk in the park or make sure you get that full 8 hours of sleep. Whatever it is, remember, it's the small, consistent changes that make a big difference in the long run. So let's take inspiration from Bernando and make those changes, one step at a time. After all, it's not just about living longer, but living well. Are you ready to incorporate any of Bernando's habits into your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs this longevity breakthrough.